Hi guys, this is Carl from the Website Pro. Just here to give you a quick run through of the new platform for Living Life Being Human. So the way we access this site is livinglifebeinghuman.com. I'll set you all up a username now, so you'll get an email notification with your username and password. So if you type in your email address here, and then if you click on forgot password here, you can then register a new password straight away. So if I type my demo account in here, so this is the main news feed page. So you can see all the updates here, what people have been talking about, discussions that have started, forums, any pictures that have been uploaded. So if we start on the top line here, this is the news feed. To get back to this page, just click here or on the logo here. Photos. This is the photos from the whole platform. So you can see anyone's photos they've uploaded here. Members. You can see all the members that are active in the platform. So you can toggle here, recently active, or the newest members when it gets a bit busier. So if I want to type a message to Jackie, I can either click on Jackie's profile here, and I can read her details, first name. You can hide the last name in your own profiles if you want, if you don't want people to know your last name, your nickname as well. I can see Jackie's hobbies and interests. So I've been active in the Living Life Being Human membership. So I can message here, or you can also message here. So if I wanted to write Jackie a message and click on the message icon there and just type a message in here. And this will show up as a notification here. You see the notification on the top right here. You'll get one on your messages there. So you can access your messages there and type messages between yourselves or to Jackie. Forums there on the top line again, forums. So we can start a discussion in here. So you can start a new discussion there if you wanted to ask a question or start a discussion between other members of the group, or if you wanted to reply to Jackie's anxiety symptoms discussion here. We can see what symptoms do you get when you feel anxious. So you can reply. My heart racing and I sweaty. Sweaty palms. You'll see that as a reply there. And then if you don't like it, you can edit it or you can trash it. If you want to subscribe to someone's discussion to get notifications about when someone else replies or when Jackie answers a question, if you're interested in the same question, you can click subscribe. So if you subscribe to that discussion, you'll then get notified when someone replies. Documents. So if Jackie uploads any diaries or handouts and stuff like that, that can all go up here. Zoom calls. We've programmed in the Zoom call for the Delving Deeper Roundup this Friday at 8:30 at the usual time. So after 10 minutes, you'll see this changes to a join meeting in Zoom. So you can click that and that'll take you over to Zoom where you can access that. Or you can also watch it within this browser here. So if you click that, you'll just access Zoom in the normal way. Carrying on along the top line, if you click here on your profile, this is basically all the profile settings that are mirrored from the top line and the left-hand side here. So it's just like the master list of all the settings. And there's got a search function there. I'm not sure how good that is yet. We'll have to test that out. I'm sure you guys can all let me know if the search is any good or not. We've got messages here again. So you'll see all your messages there, or you can view the whole inbox there. So you can start a new message there. If you type in someone's name, You click there, start a new message, where you'll see all the old messages there. Notifications, just like Facebook. View notifications, you'll see all the messages. So Jackie mentioned me, so I click on that. Jackie said, hi demo. If you write at and then the username, you can type a reply there. If I could just like that. Bye. Hi Jackie. What that means. Hi Jackie. You can also add a photo if you want. Or I can just delete that if I don't like what Jackie said about me. There you go. So that's the top line. Go to the left-hand side here. If you click on this icon here, the top left, it can open it out so you can read everything that's showing their profile. This is where you can edit your own profile. So if you click on the profile picture here, you can change your profile photo there, and the top line, the cover photo. You can reposition the cover photo there, or you can change the photo there, and then save changes. Click on edit profile here. We can change the first name, the last name. If you don't want people to know your last name, you can change that here, public or only me. You do require the last name as part of the membership subscription, but as again, you can hide it if you don't want people to know. If you have a nickname you'd prefer people to know you by, you can type that there on the next line. And then just for a bit of fun, we've added hobbies and interests, so you can write anything you want in that line there. And that's optional. Again, the demo account being active in the Living Life Being Human membership. Save changes. And again, you can change your profile photo and cover photo here. This is all, these are doubled up from the top line. So you can access the timeline here. Courses, photos, forums. It's all the same as the top line there. Sorry, courses is new, but courses again is on the left-hand side. So we type courses here. You can see what courses you're enrolled in. So everyone will get enrolled to every course that's on here at the moment. So here's the latest course that you guys will be discussing this week, delving deeper on anxiety. You can see all the different modules here. So if we go to start course, you can see video 1 here. And then once you've finished that video, mark complete. And you can start the next video then. You can also see who else is loaded into the course there. So again, we've got, starting back to the left-hand side, we've got profile, timeline. It's the same as the news feed. No, sorry, this is your own personal timeline, sorry. Your own personal timeline, so you can see all your own updates here. And you can mention someone there again with using the @ symbol. Notifications doubled up from the top right here. You'll also see them here. Messages again, doubled up from the top right, same thing. Courses. Access courses from the left-hand side here, or from your own profile here. Photos, you can upload photos here. And you can upload an album. Create album here. And then forums. This is your own personal forums here. So if you've started any forums, you'll see them here. You can also see replies. So I replied here to the anxiety symptoms. You can favorite a discussion as well. And you can also see the subscriptions that you've signed up to. So here's my subscribe discussions. And the forum. The forum's there's just one main forum at the moment. and then account. Here you can change your account details. Say your account email address, if you want to change your email address. If you want to reset your password, type your password once here, second time, save changes. Email preferences, if you want to turn off your emails that you're getting. So here we've got set to yes. If a member mentions you using the @ symbol, if a member replies to an update or comment you've posted, you get an email. And if a member sends you a message, you get an email. Privacy. Again, you can turn off your last name if you don't want it to show. And hobbies and interests if you don't want that to show. But again, you don't need to write anything in there if you don't want to, and it won't show. Export data. If you wanted to request the data, all your data that's on this platform, you can request the data here. And that's it. And then the log out is in the bottom left here. Log out. And then here's where you access the platform.